Hello and welcome back to Simply at Home. Today's recipe is pumpkin with orange. You can use it as a sabji for roti or a curry to rice, the Indian curry. So let's dive in with the ingredients I have given in the description box below. To a pan or a kadai, you can add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. My preference oil is gingerly oil from where I am. It's up to you what oil you want to toss it with. 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of jeera or cumin seeds. For the masala, I'll be adding about 1 stick of cinnamon into pieces, 1 bay leaf, and ginger garlic. I normally prefer to chop them. It's up to your choice. You can also grind and make a paste of ginger garlic. Again, garlic is optional. If you're not a garlic person or you do not have garlic in general for pungent reasons, you can avoid them. And I'm adding about 2 green chilies with a handful of curry leaves. I come from South India, you can't help it. Curry leaves are good for rice, so just keep adding them. Why I add them in the initial stage, it gets a little crispier, so kids would still love it if it's crispier. So to that I'll be adding 2 big onions finely chopped. Excuse the road noise. And let it go golden brown, and as it tosses itself in oil, let's add half a teaspoon of turmeric and a teaspoon of cumin seed, coriander seed powder, and let's give it a good stir. We're going to be adding chili powder now, about a quarter teaspoon. Again, this can vary slightly because we're also adding green chilies. If you're going to add spicier green chilies, say about more than 2, then you can reduce this one a bit. But by adding red chili powder, it also enhances the color. Now, tomatoes. I'm a big fan of tomatoes, so I've added about 3 to 4 ripe tomatoes here, because when they mash up, they give a good flavoring and color at the end. So that is the another tangy aspect of including tomatoes here. So why am I calling this sabji pumpkin with orange, while the general thing is pumpkin pumpkin, orange pumpkin? No, we're going to be adding orange here as orange, and that's why this is pumpkin with orange. Now I've added salt to taste. You can add salt to your taste and convenience. I've added about a teaspoon of salt to this. So the reason why I normally add salt in the very initial stages is it easily kind of or quickens the cooking component of the vegetable. So I don't put it at the end, I add it in the initial stage itself. So as we keep stirring here, we're going to peel the pumpkin and chop the pumpkin into cubes. It's up to you how you want to chop it, dice it. If it's this one, I'm making it for a roti per se. I've taken about half a kilo of yellow pumpkin, orange pumpkin, and de-seeded them, and I've just made them big cubes. These kind of pumpkins normally cook quite faster, so you just need to add a little bit of water so that the cooking happens a little faster, and seal it with a lid. So by the time let it keep cooking, we're going to do the cutting of the orange, and we're going to get the orange juice ready. This is not the Mosambi, this is the orange. Well, it was lockdown and I'm just actually doing the voiceover and recording a little later. So at that point of time, I could get just 1 orange. For this quantity, about 4 to 5 people that I have made for side with roti, I would suggest you could take about 2 oranges I'm using just one and I'm going to be adding water. You don't need to add more water if you have sufficient oranges with you. It gives a complete flavoring and lots of vitamin C. It doesn't give a sour taste. It's something you have to try, taste and see it for yourself. So once we've squeezed out the orange, let it set and cook further. We need to be adding this orange juice when the pumpkins are like half cooked. So for the residual, when we just cook it together, it just is just too yummy. Now since I've added little extra water here, it's kind of too watery around. If you want it to thicken, you can also add a pinch of corn flour mixture. I want to have this milk free or dairy free, so I will not be adding any kind of cream. If you are a cream person, you can add a pinch of I wouldn't suggest cream basically. By the way, this is not cream. I'm just adding a little bit of corn flour to give the thickening effect. And finally, when we turning off the stove, I'll be adding lots and lots and lots of coriander leaves. They'll be fresh and yum as they just soak in. So, pumpkin with orange curry or sabji ready to be served with rice and roti. Signing off, this is Ramya, simply at home. Enjoy and comment it.